How to fix video call camera on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix video call camera on Android phone. First, go to settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again, and here we'll find WhatsApp. Just type here WhatsApp and you will find it. Then click on it, and first go to permissions, and here we'll find camera. Click on it and click allow and allow phone also, and microphone and storage, and then go to storage here and clear cache, and then force stop. Now just go back to WhatsApp and try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.